Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. SMS marketing gets great results because it's fast and direct. Your message goes straight to people's phones, and they don't even need apps or internet to read it. In this video, I will show you how to send bulk SMS messages for your marketing ads. Let's go. To make things easier for you, I've chosen the best SMS marketing tool currently available online. With this tool, you can create your content, build your subscriber lists, send campaigns, and perform bulk SMS marketing all in one easy-to-use dashboard. It also gives you real-time analysis of your SMS campaign stats, so you can see how well they're working and make improvements to your advertising plans. To start creating your SMS campaigns, you can use my link below to create your free account and get a special welcome bonus just for you. After you sign up, there are a few initial steps you'll need to take before you can begin creating your campaigns. First, build your subscriber list. These are the people you'll be sending your campaigns to. From the side menu, expand the SMS section and go to the Lists tab. Click New List and give it a name. If you plan to have different themes for your campaigns, it's a good idea to name your subscriber lists based on the groups they fit into. Then you can either import your list from an Excel or CSV file, or add each recipient's phone number one at a time. When you add each phone number, just remember to include the country code to ensure proper formatting. And of course, make sure that your subscribers have given you clear permission to receive campaigns via SMS. Note that this tool allows you to send SMS marketing campaigns to specific countries such as Austria, Mexico, Germany, United Kingdom, and more. Once your subscriber list is ready, you can now start sending your SMS content. Go to the Campaigns menu on the side and click New Campaign. Enter the name for your campaign and the default sender information that your recipients will see. On the next page, select the subscriber list you added earlier. Finally, set up the content of your SMS campaign. Use the text area to write all the details of your marketing content. You can also add tags or clickable links for quick access to your landing page if applicable. If you're finished writing your message, click Send Campaign to forward the marketing content to your intended recipients. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.